Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. This is the third and final video for this week's lineup where we've been using Taikong products from JGM Products. This video I'm going to be showing you guys how to put extra boiled rice that you have on hand to use and create a delicious chicken fried rice. Many times we'd cook a meal, like a full meal, and for some reason we'll end up with like a lot of extra boiled rice on hand. Now there are many different ways to utilize or put that boiled rice to use without it having to go to waste. This video is all about a simple chicken fried rice, easy way to use that extra boiled rice that you have. So let's get started. Got my chicken. I'm using chicken breast and I've already cut it into small chunks. The smaller the better in my personal opinion, but of course it's up to you. You can also slice it if you want. Got my cooked rice. Going to be using some sesame oil, soy sauce, green peas and carrots. Taikong fried rice seasoning is going to be in this recipe. Got my grated garlic and ginger in here. I'm also going to be including some pimentos and we're going to be cooking in some vegetable oil. To start off, I'm adding the grated garlic and ginger to some heated oil in my wok. I'm just going to stir this around, get that nice and fragrant in that oil. And then I'm going to be adding my chicken pieces. Now I did add a little of the fried rice seasoning to the chicken just to add some salt factor to it. Next, I'm going to be adding some soy sauce, followed by peas and the carrots. I'm going to just mix this all together, get that chicken coated nicely with the soy sauce to give it some of that nice color. And I'm basically going to be cooking this all the way through. Make sure the chicken pieces are properly cooked through. Then I'm going to be adding the sesame oil, more soy sauce, followed by the cooked rice. Going to give this a nice stir. Make sure that everything mixes up nicely and all the rice is coated with that soy sauce to get that color. Now remember, you can add as much soy sauce or as little soy sauce depending on the color you like your fried rice to be. So once everything is mixed in, I'm going to add in my pimentos and my fried rice seasoning. Bear in mind that the fried rice seasoning will add that salt factor, so you want to be mindful and taste and adjust accordingly. And in a few minutes you've got your plain boiled rice transformed into a delicious chicken fried rice. And just in case you're wondering what are some things that you can enjoy with this, well, you want to check out my fish and mushrooms and oyster sauce. You can also check out my Singapore noodles to have along with your chicken fried rice if you like, or you can have some Chinese style chicken and some chow mein to go along with it. So yet again, this is another simple recipe for you guys to follow along with. Easy way to use the extra rice. Of course, you can do a veggie rice with it. Of course, you can replace the chicken with shrimp. You can make a shrimp fried rice. You're just going to follow along in the same way that we did with the chicken. You can make a beef fried rice. Have fun with it. But the video is just aimed at showing you guys how to use that extra rice to make a delightful dish. So I hope you guys appreciated all 3 videos that I posted in this video schedule, in which we use Taikong products from JGM Products. We use the Chinese seasoning in that first video I posted on Monday where we did the chow mein stuffed chicken breast. Try that out. We use the all-purpose seasoning in the chili sesame oil chicken. And today we utilize this Taikong fried rice seasoning in our chicken fried rice. So be sure to grab these at your favorite supermarket. Tag me in the pictures when you do try these recipes using these products, of course. So thanks as always for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. As always, the love and the support is very, very much appreciated. So thanks as always, and I will see you guys in my next video.